introduction. I'm Daisy, the founder of StarPlan, and I just graduated from Melbourne with the degree of human-computer interaction. So for me, I mainly focus on how the AI products help the human daily life, workflow, the automation, all the things. We use the AI agent to help with the recruitment process, especially in AI talent field. As Wendy mentioned before, like the two important things for a startup economy, one is talent, the other is funding. So I'm gonna focus on the talent part. Our vision is to build an end-to-end AI recruiter designed for especially AI startup founders to find the best AI talent through an entire hiring pipeline, while presuming the human touch through adaptive learning. So what we are doing now, the core concept, we have multi-agent system. And we have like a lead agent to lead the different agents can work together. And we have a teacher model to help evaluate all the agents can work well with each other. The goal is to automate up to 90% of the recruiting workflow. For example, lots of AI startup founders, I know them collaborate with recruitment agency, but it's quite expensive, very expensive. I can see it's like 20 or 30% of the 1 year salary. For a junior role, it's like 20K to 30K for the whole recruitment process. But however, I heard lots of complaints from the startup founders because lots of startup founders, they just have an idea, but they cannot describe the title of the roles they want very well. But the recruitment agency just take a lot of work, they know this area, they can understand your needs, but not that well because they are not that specialized in the AI field. So what we are doing now is combine with our expertise and also the language model within the domain knowledge to understand your AI project, then suggest how many roles you want and write the job description for the AI startup founder. And then we use there is a sourcing agent to sourcing all the online database like LinkedIn, GitHub, Kaggle, Google Scholar, Hugging Face, all these different resources where AI talent live, then invite them to join us. So we build a candidate pool. Now it's mainly in Melbourne and Sydney, but in the future, I think Hong Kong must be the best place as well. And because we want to improve the AI ability to suggest the best role for the best job description. So we learn from the feedback. If the startup founder, when they feel these talent, the ranking of the talent is good, we can have a feedback loop. Then the learning model can keep learning how to ranking the different roles based on different job description. This is our agent collaboration overview. We have a job description generation agent. Our product is through a natural conversation. It's a chatbot. Then it can understand your needs and then write a job description. But as startup founders, they can also just drop their job description and extract all the data. And the second, we have a sourcing agent. As I said before, we're sourcing from different online databases. And then we have an email agent to email them, just simulate the human invite. Some are AI version of me, which I just invite them and do the follow-up email based on their feedback. And also the email agent will learn from the conversation. Then the email agent can learn simulate the process if the different AI founders conversation sell, then to communicate, invite the AI talent to apply for this role. Because if lots of companies, they use the email campaign to do the sales or recruiting, but the response rate is really low. It's like 4%. But if we have this AI agent as an email assistant, just like a human, the response rate will be much higher. It's like 40% to 50%. And after that, if the AI talent, they apply this role, we invite them, they will submit the resume or just reply the email with the resume. We have the screening agent of the resume to say which one is the best fit for the job description. But for the screening part, like we just have the resumes. I just have like hard skills. We don't have soft skills, and we don't know like how this talent look like with the chemistry of both of the talent and the startup founder. But we still want to save time, so we use an interview agent. When people think about an interview agent, interview AI, they always think about a digital avatar. At this moment, the digital avatar is not that like a human. So lots of AI talent, they don't like to talk with that AI. But nowadays the call agent is super like a human. When we have a call agent, they call the talent. The conversation is quite smooth. So we use the call agent as an audio interview, but also we have the the recording of the candidates. So we get the recording, we get the what the talent look like, but they want hit of the conversation, so the AI avatar. After all this, the companion agent is like the interface, how to integrate, how to interact with different AI startup founders, learn how their communication style is just like GPT format. Yeah, I think this is all the details of our different agents. Like for the companion agent, we focus on the conversation interface, both chat and voice. We focus on the explain AI reasoning. I don't know, how many people are using DeepSeek right now? Do you know DeepSeek? Yeah. Yeah. How many are using ChatGPT? Both. So Wendy, I'm gonna ask you, which one do you like?
It depends.
British and Hong
If
Kong.
you're talking about if you use Chinese language, maybe DeepSeek is a little bit stronger.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and sometimes Gemini. I also use Gemini 2.5, and it is good in certain things. And for capacity, it is good at research. So basically, we use different tools for different purposes.
Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, I also like Gemini to write some documents, and I use the ChatGPT to write some social media. But DeepSeek, I found, especially in China, lots of just ordinary people, they are not experts. They love DeepSeek because of the explanation of why AI gave me this reason. So we also have the reasoning part, give the explanation why I recommend this role to match your job description. It's more like, because my background is human computer interaction, just make the AI more like a human. And for the job generation agent, actually lots of HR, especially for big companies, tech companies, they spend a lot of time writing the job description to match the local law, Australian law, labor law. Especially in Australia, lots of Chinese company or other companies, they want to expand market to Australia. They don't know how to write the job description to match with the law. In case because now different countries have different salary law and also the labor law. So we combine with this kind of knowledge from government websites. These are open data. We can train it as a knowledge base, and we use RAG to write all the job description. And the sourcing and outreach agents, we are not only sourcing and show the the email and phone number, this kind of basic information. We also build a talent pool. Once the AI talent, they join they accept the invitation, apply for this role, join our candidate pool. It's not a one-time match. We match it continually to match them the profile with different roles we have now and in the future. So this would better for AI talent, but I'm not sure whether it's better for AI startup founder, because maybe you have these talents, but next day another AI startup just find him and call him, Eric, come to me, I'm gonna give you more. But this today, the AI startup war is AI talent pool. So it's like jackpot, but money is not everything. It's about your vision and your technology that will attract the best AI talent. And this is the audio interview part. I think the audio part is what will real. Like there's some open API is work very well, so we just connect with like deep grammar Whisper API to do the audio part. For the evaluation and ranking, actually this is a core algorithm in our startup because the ranking always hard because evaluation is always hard. How to in previous like the traditional applicant tracking system, they just use the keyword matching, and nowadays lots of ATS they already have some AI function. But I heard from the technical managers they complain a lot because the ranking and recommendation maybe just useful for human resource people, but they not understand deeply the information within the resume. So we focus a lot in this field, and we use the human comparison and also the learning loop to always focus on the continually improve our ranking system. Yeah, this is the learning loop part, and this is our technical pipeline. Also, we focus on the security and privacy data. If the talent, like the gender data and also the name, these contact data, we won't train it. And the key performance here, we value the time to first candidate match rate, and we also value the job description generation to interview rate, response rate, and screening like accuracy. But the most important part is the founder satisfaction. So if you want to try, we can just to say like how you feel about the AI talent in our system. Yeah, this is all my presentation today. In the future, for the Open API part, we want to like just open our ranking system can plug into other HR tag companies, HR tag tools to as an API, but also we will keep improving other fields as well. Thank you very much.